This house, I think, is all about legacy and generations, so we felt that we were able to give it a sense of history by engaging with what was here.
Hi Michael, thanks for joining us today. You must be so proud of this build because it is just such an inspiration to us.
Thanks, Christine. It's a pleasure to be here. It's lovely to hear you say that it's an inspiration, and to have people feel that way with what we've achieved makes us very proud.
So tell me about your inspiration with the landscape and how you brought those elements to the design.
Sure. It's quite a dramatic site. It falls away to the south, and that was obviously something that was key to the house design, is achieving that maximum engagement with the view and using the landscape that we created as the foreground to that view.
You've then mixed your material, patterning up, and you've brought in this robust stone. Tell me about that and how much of a role that plays in the overall scheme.
The stone is an element that we've sort of used as an anchoring element through the house and the landscape. So from wherever you are in the house, we have that interplay of garden and stone pretty much from wherever you are. And I think that sense of Australianness was something that was very important for us to achieve, as well as that sense of a timeless international appeal.
So the colouring of the materials, talk to me about the colours that you've used on the exterior.
We tend to sort of work with quite a natural palette in many of our projects, and for this house we've gone with the COLORBOND steel wind spray, one of the lighter colours. The roof is a very strong element in the composition of the house visually, and we're very aware of that, so we wanted the roof to have a lightness to it, which it does.
So being a forever home, the durability of the materials that you've used on the exterior is really important, isn't it?
Very much. I think it's critical. There's a lot of really quite harsh weather on this site, so the materials that we used, obviously we wanted to be beautiful, but ultimately be very robust as well.
And the combination is just beautiful, so I totally commend you.
Thank you, Christine. We couldn't be more proud of what we've achieved here, so thank you.